Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how I was able to transform this black dark looking cake you can see on the screen to this beautiful cake that I used to design my baby doll, or Cinderella cake as some people will call it. So I must say that it was not my intention for the cake to get burnt this way. But I was baking the cake, and at the point I discovered that the pot I was using for the cake was too small compared to the pan I used. So I had no option than to open the cover and give the cake more room for it to rise. But later, I still discovered that the middle part of the cake was not well baked. But I had no option than to remove the cake and scrape out the part that was not well baked. I must say that at the end, I love the result I was able to get from this. A beautiful doll cake. Thanks for watching. If you like more of such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Like and share this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.